Mold Busters.
As a specialist in indoor air quality, at Mold Busters, we know there are many steps to maintain healthy and clean air in your home, and 1Clean is a company to help you with that. We all know that indoor air quality is essential for our well-being. Poor air quality can lead to allergies, asthma, and other health issues. That's why we must keep our living and working environments clean and fresh. 1Clean specializes in air duct and carpet cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, and more. With years of experience and highly trained technicians, 1Clean is committed to providing top-notch services to ensure your home or office is a safe and healthy space. They use advanced equipment and eco-friendly solutions to deliver exceptional results. To improve your indoor air quality and live a healthier life, give 1Clean a call. They offer free consultations and are ready to help.